Good morning, students. I'm Shipra Agrawal, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss about the chapter number 3, The Little Girl of your Beehive book. This chapter is written by Catherine Mansfield, and just like in the picture, you can see this chapter is the story about a little girl. And by this video, we will revise this chapter in a complete manner. Okay, here in this picture, what you can notice, the two observation we can notice. The first observation is father is sleeping on the sofa and mother is busy in reading the newspaper. And the second observation, the child is standing here, she is all alone, she wants to have a nice talk with her parents, but parents are busy. Parents ignore the child, and there is a communication gap between child and the parents. Now the summary of the chapter, and before starting the summary, you can see in the picture how Kezia is very unhappy. Okay, now here is the summary of this chapter. Kezia was a little girl who usually remained scared of her father. Scared means frightened. Kezia is a little girl in the story, and generally she used to fear to her father. She kept a distance from him because she used to fear, so she always maintained a distance from her father whenever he would be at home. Whenever her father used to live in the home, she always maintained a distance from him. She considered him to be as big as a giant. Giant means devil. She considered her father just like a devil-like creature. She would often get nervous and stutter while talking to him. Stutter means stammer. Oftenly, when she used to speak with her father, she became nervous and she started stammering. Once she was kept indoors on account of being affected by cold, means this was one of the incident, means it was the time of the cold weather and she was inside the house. Her grandmother advised her to make a gift for her father's birthday next week, and now because she was indoors and the grandmother noticed this communication gap between the daughter and the father, so she suggested to prepare a beautiful birthday gift for her father. She suggested she should make a pin cushion for him. Pin cushion means a square shaped pillow. She suggested that Kezia should prepare a pin cushion for her father. Kezia made a beautiful pin cushion, but she inadvertently made a mistake. Okay, now Kezia prepared a very beautiful pin cushion, but she committed one mistake. She filled it with a paper that had father's important speech on it, and that speech is Port Authority speech. She tore the important papers of the father to prepare the birthday gift. She was punished for that. This incident further estranged Kezia from her father. She was punished for that, and for this reason the father punished the Kezia by the ruler, and he hit that ruler on the pink palm of the little girl. And this incident always had one great impression on the heart of the little girl. She would often look at the neighbors, the McDonalds, playing joyously in their lawn. She used to saw the neighbor's family, and just next to the Kezia's house there was the house of Mr. McDonald, who used to play with the children very happily. Mr. McDonald was such a good father and played so lovingly with his children. In the eyes of Kezia, Mr. McDonald was a different kind of father because he always played with his children and children always enjoyed the company of his father. She wondered he might be a different sort of father. Sort means type. Now she considered that she have a cruel type of father and Mr. MacDonald is a loving father. So here in this world there are different types of father. Once her mother fell ill and was hospitalized. Once what happened? The Kezia's mother fall sick and because of that she hospitalized and Granny also goes with the mother to the hospital. She was left alone at home under the care of the cook and the name of the cook is Alice. At night she had a nightmare and woke up screaming. At the time of the night she watched a nightmare. Nightmare means a bad dream and she woke up in a terrifying state and she started screaming means crying louder. She found her father standing by her side. Now, when she woke up, she saw that her father was standing by her side. He picked her up and took her to her room. Now, the father was very concerned about the safety of the child, so the father picked the child from her room to his bedroom. He tugged her, it means he covered her with the bed by the help of a bed sheet and soon fell asleep. And soon the father fell asleep. Kezia felt secure lying near her. Now the feeling of the Kezia was changed about her father because she was feeling very secure by lying near her father. She realized her father was not as big as a giant. Now she realized her mistake that her father is not as big as a devil. She felt the beating of her father's loving and large heart. Now she felt that her father having a very big heart, very generous heart, very loving heart, and she also loved her father very much. Finally, she realized her father was also very loving. Now she realized her mistake and she also come to know that father also loved her daughter so much. Okay, the little girl in the picture you can see, here is the father and the little girl. Now this is the theme of the chapter, relationship between children and their parents. Children share a very important bond of love with their parents. When young, they do not feel that their parents love them because their parents are strict and many actions of the parents seem unjustified. But as the children grow up, they realize that all the acts done by their parents were beneficial for them. The parents were concerned for them, and beneath the strictness lies a heart full of love for the children. So all the children should realize this thing, that parents are only the parents and we should never judge them. Parents are always loving. Maybe they show their love and affection towards us or not, but parents are always the idol of love and kindness. Now here we will discuss about the characters of character, especially the character sketch of Kezia. Means what are the qualities of Kezia? She is obedient, innocent, sensitive, emotional and impulsive. Relationship with, she always used to fear with her father. Mother, she always obedient. Grandmother, she was very affectionate. And Alice, the cook, she was very friendly. Now the character sketch of Kezia's grandmother. The quality, she was very affectionate, she was mature, supportive and understanding. And relationship with her son, understanding. Daughter-in-law, supportive. Kezia, affectionate. Character sketch of Kezia's father. Qualities, domineering, authoritative, strict, disciplinary, unexpressive. Relationship with Kezia, strict. Wives, authoritative. Mother, respect. work, dedicated. So by the character sketch of the father, you can notice that the father is very strict, but he having the high values of the life that he wanted to inculcate in his daughter. What is happening in this picture? Is there any change in your perspective after reading this chapter? Yes, I hope that your perspective is changed, because father is tired and so only one holiday he having, so he is sleeping. Mother also having the time on the Sunday, so she is busy in reading the newspaper. Now students, it is quiz time. We will make a review of the chapter by the help of this quiz. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Here is the three options: because he never talked to her lovingly, because he never played with her, because he kept finding faults with her. This quiz I will give you, and you have to solve this quiz, and then the reply you have to give me, and by that we will come to know that how much you study this chapter. What would Kezia do while saying something to her father? She would stammer, she would begin to cry, she would speak very loudly. Where was Kezia's father to give the great speech? Parliament, State Assembly, or Port Authority? Why would Kezia's grandmother encourage her to talk to her father? So that she could learn many new things, so that she could explain her problems to him, so that she could give him some company and make him feel less lonely. Kezia had a nightmare about a fairy, her father, a butcher with a knife in his hand. What gift did the grandmother suggest to Kezia to give her father on his birthday? A pen, a table lamp, a pin cushion. Now here are some short question answers. Students, these quiz question answers and the short question answers are in your homework. You have to complete it and send me the screenshot on my WhatsApp account. Okay, thank you very much, and by this sweet picture I want to wind up this video for you. And you should always love your father, just like in the end the Kezia realized. So love your parents, because your parents are the most important person, or you can say the godlike in your life. Thank you very much, students. Have a nice day.